Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to first turn off, or not turn off, but access the boot options. So we can do so by holding the power button and the volume up at the same time. And you can see this brings up the boot options, and from here you want to hold power off. When you do so, it will bring up this window, Reboot to Safe Mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. And click on OK. And let's just wait for the device to boot back up. So you can see now that the device booted back up. We are in safe mode, and in here only the pre-installed applications will function. So any app that you have installed yourself after the setup is right now turned off. Even apps that are actually downloading themselves while you're going through the setup after it forces you to maybe connect to network will also be disabled. And the apps that are disabled will look like these right here. So Facebook, Instagram, and a couple other ones. So they become just gray. Now, depending on what theme you're using, they might look a little bit different, but no matter what, if you try to open them up, it will get you this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, this is done for troubleshooting purposes, so if some application is causing you problems, and you can't really solve this problem in the normal mode because the application is causing so much problem, you can put your device into safe mode. This app can no longer start or do literally anything, and you can just manage it from here, like for instance, supposedly uninstall it from here. Oh, there we go. So I can just drag it here, poof, and boom, it's gone. Now once you're done utilizing the safe mode, you can get back to the normal mode by pressing again the power button and the volume up, and this time around we're gonna select restart. So I'll reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.